Hi, I'm Elitia, co-founder of When Love Works, relationship and coaching development company started by Cullen and I. It's a one-stop platform for all things healthy relationships. Look, y'all, we created this because we wish we had this platform filled with tools and all these healthy solutions when we were going through our issues. I mean, issues with family relationships, intimate relationships between us, with our friendships, and with our colleagues. When Love Works is your one-stop shop. And one of our signature programs is the HERToolbox series. This is specifically for women only, yo. And we start with women because women are the original love leaders. Not that I'm biased, because yes, I'm a woman, but we lead movements. When women show up, transformation happens. We shift things. And HERToolbox is an immersive, really 3-step guide on how you show up. How do you show up in the world and your relationships with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues, with your intimate partner? How do you show up? We were very intentional about starting with women because we are transformative.